Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I am going to be reviewing the Knit Picks ball winder. Okay, this is actually a new one that I just ordered because my son broke my old one. I haven't opened this one and I need to use it. So if you like winding your yarn into cakes like this is what you'll need. Okay, so this ball winder, a lot of the times when you purchase yarn, this is one hank, it's twisted, and in order to use it you need to wind it up so that it's in a nice ball and you can pull from the center. It just makes knitting and crocheting a lot easier, for me anyway. Okay, so there's not a whole lot of pieces to this. This is the piece that will hold your yarn, so you just place it right in here. Okay, so just align that with it and then you twist it to tighten so that it doesn't go anywhere. And then this will be the piece that is attached to your table. Okay, and you can use this to tighten. So you want to take this little plastic piece off. Okay, and then you want to insert this piece right here into the bottom of your ball winder. Okay, so hold it up so that you can see the hole and place that little clear plastic screw back in there. And this will hold the piece in place so that you can attach it to your table. Okay, so there I screwed that on. And right here it'll tell you this side is loosened and that this going this direction is to fasten. Okay, so now let me loosen this. I'm going to place this on my table. Okay, so this piece here, it was up against here, and then you want to fold that out. Okay, so just fold it out, and then you want to attach it to your table. Okay, so I have a bit of yarn here that I want to wind up. Okay, so you want to thread the yarn through here. Okay, so hold it over that piece, and then you're going to go under and then wrap it around a couple times, and it'll run right through there. Okay, let me show you that again. Okay, let me show you that again. Bring it under and then wrap it once. Okay, and it'll go right through. Okay, then you're going to want to take your end and place it right on top like that, so that'll hold it. Sometimes my yarn is slippery or thin. I like to then double it and put it in. This one seems to be okay. Okay, so I find that it works best if I hold on to the yarn for tension and then grab the handle, and then it tells you right here to turn in that direction. So you want to slowly start turning. Okay. So you see how my ball is sort of dancing around? So I grabbed a box and I'm going to place the ball right in it and then just drop it to the floor. So it's in the box here. I'm just going to move that. And again, hold the yarn for tension and then continue to turn. Let me see if I can show you what the ball's doing in there. Okay, so it's just dancing around in there, and it won't run away. And the good thing when you're holding it for tension is you can feel things like this. So here's a little knot in the yarn, so I can stop and untangle that, and then I can continue winding my ball of yarn. Okay, I'm not really holding it, I'm just sort of letting it glide through my fingers. This is just how I like to do this. Okay, I don't usually keep the box up here. I usually just throw it on the floor, but you're not able to see that. Okay, so I placed that back on the floor. I'm just going to continue to wind this. So here it's sort of stuck, so I pulled up, and that's why I like to leave it on the floor, because I can see it coming up if there's an issue with the yarn. See how it's coming up? So I'm getting close to the end here. I'm just going to slow down so that it doesn't get away from me. And right about here, I want to grab the tail, and I want to pull this part up because I have lost it in there, and I ended up pulling the whole middle piece out looking for it, and defeats the whole purpose. Okay, so with the tail, I'm just going to wrap it a couple times and just tuck it in at the end right here. Okay, so then when I'm ready to use this yarn, I can just pull it right off the top, so it's a center pull. Okay, all right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.